In ProNest LT, before you start adding parts to the part list, you'll need to set a material for the entire job. This is an important step. Now let's start a new job and pick a material. So on the File tab, select New. On the right, the machine shown will be used for the new job. We'll use the default machine, which for me is a Hypertherm PowerMax 125 setup. Next, we'll need to set a material for the entire job. In ProNest LT, all parts in the job use a single material. So why is it important to set a material? This is because cutting parameters like feed rate and kerf compensation, as well as lead sizes and some other things, are applied to parts based on the material. We'll discuss this in more detail later on in this video series. For now, we'll pick a material. I'll go with mild steel 1/4 inch. Okay. And then depending on the type of machine you have, you may also see a class box down below. Class is used to assign more specific information to the part. For instance, with a plasma setup, this might be the cutting amperage and consumable set you're using. So let's take a look at the choices I have here. These are based on the material, and it gives me an idea of the differences in the feed rates between these choices as well over here. Let's go with 65 amp shielded. All right, and then click Create. Now the new job is created. Note that the material that I selected is shown at the bottom in the status bar of the main window.